Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the DREAME Aqua10 Roller AE. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll also find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, so be sure to shop all those links in the description. So on our Aqua10 right here, pop off the cover. It's going to reveal this blue blinking indicator light. Make sure your unit's powered on, so our unit is turned on. We have the white LED lights illuminated right there. If not, just press and hold that power button. Grab a tiny SIM removal tool, paper clip, something like that. We're going to press and hold the little blue light button. So press and hold that.
Restoring to factory settings.
We just got the voice prompt restoring to factory settings, so I went ahead and now I let go. And now you just wait for it to factory reset. It's very simple and straightforward. Grab a tiny tool, press and hold that button till you hear that voice prompt, and then you know the factory reset is initiating. And now you just wait for it basically to power cycle, so it's going to turn off, and then it's going to turn back on. So you can see now the lights are flashing white again. Eventually they will go solid. It will do that initial startup, and you'll be all set and ready to go. But it's very simple and straightforward to factory reset. No phone or anything else needed.